In the world of numbers where markets sway, a silent partner begins its play. With logic and code, it starts to move. Predicting trends, it finds its groove. Through volatile waves, it never falters. Calculating risks, adjusting alters. No sleep, no rest, its mind stays sharp. A symphony of data, like a beating harp. It learns, adapts with every trade. No fear, no doubt, its decisions made. The future is bright, with bots in the lead. Automated wealth from a digital seed. In the depths of charts, it finds the way, turning every loss into a brighter day. The AI works both night and noon, profiting quietly, under the moon. The bot is ready, set to trade. It scans the charts, the moves it made. With data-driven insight, fast and true, every decision is based on you. It buys and sells with calculated grace. No emotions, just the data's chase. Your strategy refined by code. The bot will walk the profitable road.